Hey, let me show you all touch sensor gestures that you can use on the JBL Wave Buds. So we can find all of them by going into the JBL headphones application, and as you can see, we can find them on the left and the right earbud. And on the left, we've got single tap, double tap, tap and a hold, and then that's actually for the media. And we got also controls for calls with double tap and hold. And now if I click on this arrow, I can actually switch this. So I've got volume control. I can switch into an ambient sound control, and when I'm gonna click yes, as you can see, it's actually switching every tap for ambient control. If I switch for the volume control, that's how it looks. And I've got also the playback control. So I've got play and a pause, next track, previous track, voice assistant, and here it's actually not changing the call controls. So it looks the same for the right one, and this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.